Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Dave, can I ask you something?
Of course.
How many times did you check your phone today?
Oh, that's a dangerous question
Why?
because I don't want to know the answer.
Take a guess.
Maybe 10 times?
Really? Only 10?
Okay, 20 times.
Are you sure?
Fine. Probably 50 times.
That's more honest.
What about you?
Honestly, maybe 30 times.
Wow. So you're judging me while doing the same thing.
Exactly. That's friendship.
Fair enough.
What do you usually check?
Messages, videos, news, food videos, more food videos.
I knew food would be involved.
Food is always involved.
Do you think you spend too much time on social media?
Sometimes, especially at night.
Really?
Yeah. I tell myself, just 5 more minutes.
And then?
Suddenly it's midnight.
That happens to me too.
Really? I thought you were more responsible.
I try to be, but social media can be very interesting.
That's true.
Well, that brings us to today's topic.
Uh-oh. This sounds serious.
Today's question is, social media, good or bad?
Wow. That's a big question.
What do you think?
Honestly, I think it's both.
Really? Why?
Because social media helps us connect with people.
That's true.
But sometimes, it also steals our time.
I agree.
What about you?
I think social media can be very useful.
How?
We can learn new things, talk to friends, share memories.
That makes sense.
But we also need balance.
Balance is difficult
Why?
because every app says, stay a little longer.
That's true.
When I was a child, social media didn't exist.
Really? You're that old?
Excuse me? I'm experienced.
Sorry. My mistake.
Thank you.
What did you do when you were bored?
I went outside, I played with friends, I talked to my family.
That sounds nice.
It was. What about you?
Same. We didn't spend much time on phones.
Do you miss those days?
Sometimes, life felt slower.
I understand. But I also enjoy being able to call my friends anytime.
Me too.
And watching videos about pizza.
Of course.
Some things never change.
So, is social media good or bad?
I think social media is like pizza.
Wait, what?
A little bit is wonderful. Too much is a problem.
That might be the best answer you've ever given.
Thank you. I've spent years developing my pizza philosophy.
Dave, do you remember when you created your first social media account?
Oh, yes. Very clearly.
Really? How old were you?
I think I was around 13.
Were you excited?
Very excited. I thought my life was about to change.
Did it?
Not exactly.
What happened?
I spent 2 hours choosing my profile picture.
Really?
Yes, I wanted to look cool.
Did you succeed?
Unfortunately, no.
Why not?
Because I chose a picture where I was wearing sunglasses indoors.
Oh no.
I thought I looked mysterious.
What did your friends think?
They laughed for 3 years.
That's a long time.
Friendship is sometimes very painful.
Apparently.
What about you? When did you get your first social media account?
I was about 15.
Were you excited too?
Absolutely. I checked my account every 5 minutes.
Really?
Yes. I wanted people to like my photos.
Did they?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Well, my first photo received 2 likes.
That's not bad.
One was my mother,
And the other?
also my mother.
She had two accounts?
Apparently, she was very supportive.
That's actually very sweet.
It really was.
Did you ever post something embarrassing?
Oh, yes, many times.
Tell me one.
When I was younger, I posted a very serious quote.
Okay.
I thought it sounded very wise.
What was it?
Sometimes, life is life. I know.
That's beautiful.
Stop laughing.
I'm trying.
What about you? Did you ever post something embarrassing?
Actually, yes.
Tell me.
One day, I wanted to send a funny photo to my friend,
Okay.
but I accidentally posted it publicly,
Oh, no.
and I didn't notice for 6 hours.
What was the photo?
Me, wearing a blanket, pretending to be a superhero.
No.
Yes, and the caption said, "I will save the world."
This is amazing.
It was not amazing.
How many people saw it?
Too many.
What did you do?
I deleted it immediately, then I moved to another city.
You did not.
No, but I thought about it.
You know, social media can be really fun,
I agree.
but sometimes it also makes us compare ourselves to other people.
That's true.
Have you ever felt that?
Absolutely. Sometimes everyone online looks happier, more successful, more interesting.
I know what you mean.
But then, I remember something.
What's that?
Nobody posts pictures of themselves paying bills.
That's very true.
Social media shows highlights, not everyday life.
I think that's an important lesson.
Me too. Although, I would still post a picture of pizza.
Of course you would.
Some things are too beautiful not to share.
Dave, do your parents use social media?
Oh, yes. And honestly, it's a little scary
Really? Why?
because my mother discovered emojis.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing, except she uses 50 emojis in every message.
Really?
Yesterday, she sent me, "Good morning," followed by 3 hearts, 4 flowers, 2 cakes, and a dancing penguin.
That's adorable.
I still don't know what the penguin meant.
Maybe she was feeling happy.
Or maybe she accidentally touched the screen.
That's possible. What about your father?
He uses social media too, but he mostly watches videos.
What kind of videos?
Cooking videos, travel videos, and people repairing old cars.
That's interesting.
He once watched car repair videos for 4 hours.
Really? Does he repair cars?
No, he doesn't even own the kind of car in the videos.
That's amazing. What about your family? Do they use social media?
Yes, especially my younger cousins.
Really? How much?
A lot. Sometimes I think they communicate more online than in real life.
Wow, that's interesting. When I was younger, after school we played outside.
Me too.
We rode bicycles, played games, talked for hours.
Exactly.
Now many children spend their free time on phones.
Do you think that's a bad thing?
Not always.
Really?
Yes. Social media can help people learn and stay connected.
That's true.
But I think face-to-face conversations are still important.
I agree. Nothing replaces sitting together and talking.
Exactly.
Can I tell you a funny story?
Of course.
Last year, I decided to take a break from social media.
Really? For how long?
1 week.
That's impressive.
I lasted 7 hours.
What happened?
I kept reaching for my phone.
Really?
Yes, I even checked my phone while looking for my phone.
No.
Yes, that's when I realized I had a problem.
I think many people understand that feeling.
Probably. What about you? Have you ever taken a break from social media?
Actually, yes.
How long?
About 2 weeks.
Wow. How did it feel?
Strange at first.
And after that?
Honestly, I felt calmer.
Really?
Yes, I read more books, I spent more time with family, and I slept better.
That's interesting.
But I also missed talking to friends online.
So, social media has both good and bad sides.
Exactly.
You know, I think social media itself isn't bad.
Really?
I think the problem is how we use it.
That's a very good point.
Thank you. I think this might be my thoughtful answer for today's episode.
Really? Already?
Yes. I only get one serious answer per episode.
Then we should protect it.
I agree.
You know, Dave, after today's conversation, I think social media is a lot like food.
Really? That's interesting. How?
A little can be wonderful. Too much can make you feel bad.
Wow. That's actually very smart.
Thank you.
I usually compare everything to pizza,
I noticed.
but I think you're right.
When social media helps us connect with people, it can make our lives better.
Absolutely.
But when it makes us compare ourselves to others, it can make us unhappy.
I agree. You know, when I was younger, I always wanted people to like my posts.
Really?
Yeah, if I got many likes, I felt happy.
And if you didn't?
I felt disappointed.
I think many people understand that feeling.
Probably. But now I think differently.
How?
Now I care more about real conversations, real friends, real experiences.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. I think getting older helped me understand that.
Me too.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
If social media disappeared tomorrow, would you be okay?
That's a difficult question.
Really?
I think I would miss talking to some friends.
That makes sense.
But honestly, I think I would also have more free time.
That's true.
What about you?
I think I would survive.
Really? Even without food videos?
Okay, maybe I would struggle a little.
I knew it.
But I think I would spend more time doing other things.
Like what?
Reading, walking, talking to family, actually eating pizza instead of watching pizza videos.
That's probably healthier.
Definitely.
You know, I think social media itself is not good or bad.
Really?
I think it's a tool.
That's a very good way to describe it.
How we use it is what matters.
Exactly. Just like money, or food, or pizza.
Everything becomes pizza for you.
Eventually, yes.
Before we finish, let's ask our listeners a question.
Good idea.
How many hours do you spend on social media every day?
Have you ever taken a break from social media?
And could you survive 1 week without your phone?
We'd love to hear your answers.
And remember,
It's okay to enjoy social media.
but don't forget to enjoy real life too.
Spend time with family. Spend time with friends. Create real memories.
Because some of the best moments in life never get posted online.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, I think this conversation made me want to use my phone less.
Really?
Yes. Starting tomorrow.
Why not today?
Because I still have 3 pizza videos to watch.
Of course you do.
I'm trying my best.
And that's what matters.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.